So back at the shop today, while we were testing out the Corvette after getting all of that stuff done, it turns out one of the lifters wasn't priming, so it gave us the opportunity to go ahead and install new lifters. So that is what we are doing today. Let's get in there and I'll show you what kind of lifters we have. Outside the back of the shop now, this is what the old lifters look like. So they came in this plastic body, that's what obviously tied them together, where with the new ones, they have the solid metal bar that attaches both of them together. All right, back of the shop again, we've hit a snag. Thankfully, it's only gonna be about a 30 or 45 minute fix, but we sheared one of the bolts. So Alberto's on the way to the machine shop now to get a whole new set of bolts, and we will carry on. But until then, we're stuck. Starting to get a little dark out here, as you can see, but we managed to get the broken stud out of the block. So we're gonna go ahead and put all the new bolts in now and get the car back together finally. Alrighty guys, so that is it. Got the lifters replaced. Still has a little bit of ticking, but obviously having the car run for a little bit longer will fix that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also ring that bell. That way you get more notifications as I post videos every week. Hope you guys enjoyed.